Hi everyone, this is Guillermo and I'm going to share 3 articles about job satisfaction and job performance. This is for my class Psychology 850, Workplace Attitudes, Measurements and Change at Liberty University. My professor is Dr. Benjamin Wood. The first article that I want to talk about is from Judge Torresen, Bono and Patton, 2001. The job satisfaction-job performance relationship, a qualitative and quantitative review. They conduct a quantitative and qualitative review of the link between job performance and job satisfaction. The review revolves around 7 models used in the past research on the 2 aspects of the job. The reviewers also provide outcomes of meta-analysis and useful recommendations for understanding the nature of the performance satisfaction link. This resource is essential and it comprehensively covers 7 models for studying the link between job performance and job satisfaction. Results of the review discourage of the use of the overall facet satisfaction to measure the job satisfaction of individuals. The article shows the global measures of the relationship between performance and satisfaction reveal higher associations with job performance that measures develop from a composite of facets of job satisfaction. Results of the link between performance and satisfaction were inconsistent for the 7 models study. This resource significantly offers a useful directions for the future research. Judge 2001 states that future studies should analyze the predictive validity of alternative measurements strategies. Moreover, it recommends the need for further evidence on the constructability of the research outcome. The tedious aspect of this resource is the meta-analytic review process. Precisely locating studies that focus on the link between job performance and satisfaction was one of the most difficult elements. A review of the biographies from past quantitative and qualitative review requires much patience. The question: which keywords did the researchers use to locate journals to review? And the summary for this article: this study advised that research on the association between job performance and job satisfaction should not be abandoned even if it is a less critical aspect of research. As such, researchers should consider this issue. In doing so, more studies will stress the importance of these aspects of the workplace. The second article is from Riquera, 2008, The Causal Relation Between Job Attitudes and Performance, a meta-analysis of panel. Riquera 2008 endeavored to test the causal relationship between employees' attitudes and performance at the workplace using a meta-analytic process. Regression analysis covers 16 studies that evaluate performance and attitudes, emphasizing satisfaction at the workplace and commitment to one's employer organization. The results of this review support the supposition that job studies affect performance. The effect of job attitudes on performance was weak across various forms. Although significant, the significance cut across commitment and satisfaction and for the other in role performance. The impact was more substantial for reduced time lags between assessment waves and employees' commitment. This study shows no statistically significant proof for the opposite causal direction since impact size in the general analysis was 0. Nonetheless, the study proves that job satisfaction affects performance more than impacts of the performance on workplace attitudes. The most challenging element of this research is the method section, especially the meta-analytic process. The inclusion criteria for journals for review cover 7 distinct materials. This criterion elongates the process of choosing the required number of journals to review. Panel design of the study, which was included in the review, is a challenge whenever any panel member terminates participation when a study is in progress. The question: how did the reviewers handle articles where the researchers faced the setback of attrition of panel members? And the summary: this meta-analysis proves that employees' attitudes towards their job affect their overall performance. Besides, the resources recommends that studies in the future should highlight moderators of the link between performance and attitude. Lastly, it suggests the use of panel designs during the studies. And finally, the article from Faldano and Mukinski in 1885, Job Satisfaction and Job Performance Meta-Analysis. This study aimed to synthesize and combine existing knowledge on job performance and job satisfaction through the meta-analytic approach of Glass 1981 and Hunter 1982. This approach helped to drive the research agenda for the study. The importance of this article, this resource, proves that societies value high productivity and high satisfaction of employees with their work. As such, it states that employees strive to design their work to accomplish the two goals. Similarly, Faldano and Mukinski 1985 offer managerial and union representative viewpoints. The more satisfied workers become more productive. As such, more researchers are interested in studying the relationship between employee performance and satisfaction with work. Significance: this review reveals that studies on the relationship between performance and satisfaction in different workplaces will not end, since the two dimensions are essential antecedents in improving productivity. The fulfillment of elements of performance and satisfaction requires diverse interventions. The article supports this statement by stating that attempts to enhance interventions for satisfaction and performance lead to the enhancements of one variable and subsequent reductions of the other variable. The most challenging aspect of this article is the quantitative evaluation of data. Statistical analysis in two phases is subject to researcher's error in some stages. Specifically, coding of the results can suffer the impact of researcher's bias. The question: how did the researcher test the validity of coded results during the study? And the summary: this meta-analysis verifies that research on the relationship between job performance and job satisfaction is vital in different workplaces. These two aspects are necessary to improve the job satisfaction of employees. Therefore, more researchers and scholars should continually investigate these workplace elements. If you have any questions, this is the time for. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you and God bless you.